really dirty truck. And it's getting a premium shiny conditioner. So I'm gonna show a good example of what a complete detail is for $250. I took out all the personal belongings out of here. I can't take the mats out because they're fixed under here, unless I might be able to pull it out. We'll see. I'll be cleaning all around in here, all in here. Everything will be getting shined up. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. It'll look brand new when I'm done in about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. As before, I'll do an after when I'm done. This detail took me 3.5 hours. It was filthy. Windows inside and out. Took the mats out. Got under here. All nice and clean. Under here, under the seats. All the way under there. Under the seats. Under here. Lots of crap was under the seats. It's all gone now. I clean all the way in here. I even clean in this crack here. Get my finger right in there with a cleaning cloth all the way around. Even get down in here. All the little cracks in here. Spray in here, clean out all the air vents, the speakers and the air vents. In the glove boxes. There's a lot of crap down here. It's gone now. In here. Took this insert out, cleaned under there. Windows inside and out again. This one. Again. Under the seat. All this. There was some dog hair in here too. It was filthy. I thought it would take me longer, but 3.5, 3:45 maybe, 3 3/4. I arrived here at 9, filled up my machine with water. It's now 1 o'clock. Under here, all the salt out. I put hot tap water in the machine, and I got a 1500 watt booster heater. Comes out steaming hot. Got all the way under the seat. Everywhere. There. 3 hours, $250 for the premium package. Took me a little bit more. Should maybe charge a little bit more because for overtime I charge $60 an hour, so sometimes people just tip to make up for it. That's that, one truck down. Got another truck to do next. There's my van. Get new decals on it here soon. I have a decal cutter and I made these decals myself. Put them on myself. I do my own company shirts. I'm getting new decals here. They printed these off on my printer. But I'm getting professional ones made up. And I put my prices on my van. And yes, I'm a member of the Better Business Bureau. A+ rating. Thank you.